Did you know that lemon juice has benefits for acne and scars? It is a terrific alternative to the harsh chemicals often used when treating both. The pores on our faces can often get clogged with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells, which is the main reason for acne, whether it is a whitehead, blackhead, pimple, or cyst. Typical acne treatments have either salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, but they can dry out the skin and cause redness and irritation. Lemon juice is natural, costs pennies per treatment, and can fight the inflammation that often makes acne red and irritated. Watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. How lemon helps treat acne scars. High in vitamin C, lemon juice helps develop collagen that creates new skin cells and fresh skin. The acidity in the juice helps kill bacteria sitting on the skin and in pores, and breaks down the sebum, contributing to the clogged pore and therefore the acne. The acid also helps control the creation of sebum by the pores. Less sebum production means fewer clogged pores and pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. When applied topically, it dries out and shrinks the red bump. Lemon juice also contains alpha hydroxy acid, which contributes to its exfoliating properties. Exfoliating dead skin cells allow new cells to take their place, allowing for smoother, clearer skin. Another benefit to using lemon juice for treating acne and scars is that it lightens whatever it touches. Some scars leave red, brown, or slightly pink spots, and when regularly treated with lemon juice they will lighten and fade. Lemon juice spot treatment. Cut up a lemon and squeeze all the juice from it into a small bowl. Wash your face with a good quality cleanser and rinse. This should be done twice a day to keep oil levels to a minimum and prevent further clogging of pores. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. An extra step that is beneficial to do after cleansing but before the lemon treatment is to drape a hot wet washcloth on your face, and leave it on until it is no longer warm. The heat from the cloth will open up your pores, which will help remove excess sebum and trapped dirt, and will allow the lemon juice to penetrate the skin's layers and cells more deeply. The next step is to dip the cotton pad into the undiluted lemon juice, and then dab it onto the acne. Don't apply it everywhere, because it could irritate sensitive skin that isn't bothered with acne. Leave it on for 10 minutes, but if it burns, stings, or is feeling irritated, rinse it off. But try to leave it on for as long as you can handle it, because the longer it stays on, the better results you will see. Apply a moisturizer and avoid going out into the sun for a few hours. Lemon juice can make the skin more sensitive to ultraviolet rays. Lemon juice, honey, and milk mask. Not only will it help fight acne, but it will leave your skin smooth and soft. Ingredients: 1 part lemon juice, 2 parts honey, 3 parts organic whole milk. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, honey and milk, mix until paste forms. Once combined, apply to a thoroughly washed face and leave on for 30 minutes, after which rinse with warm water and pat dry. Benefits will be apparent after 4 to 5 treatments. This is gentle enough that it can be done every day if desired. People with dark skin should avoid using lemon juice topically on their skin. When lemon juice is applied on darker skin, it can trigger the production of more melanin, resulting in dark spots. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.